there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a wig review of the Maya by Envy in the color Toasted Sesame. I think this is really pretty. It's really pretty. I think this one fits a very needed sort of niche because if you think about it, Rachel from John Renault is a lot curlier than this, a lot more voluminous. This one is sort of laid back, very smooth. Reminds me a bit of Bay, which is a new Aesthetica wig. This has a much more definite wave and not so much of a corkscrew. Can you see that? This is so much more of an actual, for real wave. Let me go ahead and do my 360 so you can kind of see what I mean. This is a really glorious hair texture. I love this wig. It's beautiful. I'm keeping the sample. I mean, it didn't help matters that I ordered this in one of my favorite colors, but it's just really pretty. Here's what this lace front looks like. It is from temple to temple. Actually, like goes to the top of the ear tab to the other top of the ear tab. And then there's the part. This has a contoured pre-cut lace front, very small knots on there. We do have an open wefted side and back with a felt nape that has bra adjusters back here. It is not an extended nape. We do have closed felt here on the ear tabs, which help with comfort. Just make sure that they're flush on the side of your head. And there is no permatease in this wig. That's why she sits so sleek and naturally. Just beautiful. Like, this wig looks in real life the way that the photo for Downtime made me think that wig was gonna look like. If you remember Downtime by Raquel Welch. Like, I honestly thought that that wig would look like this sort of when I got it home, and it definitely did not. This wig is beautiful. Oh, isn't this fun? For some reason, the theme song for Mary Tyler Moore was playing in my head, and this looks nothing like that kind of hair, but that's just the sort of weird things my brain does late at night. So yeah, I recommend this one. And I'm keeping this sample. This is Maya by Envy in Toasted Sesame. I'm Heather from CysterWigs.com. That's CysterWigs. That's CYS. I can spell the name of my company. It's CysterWigs.com, CysterWigs. And alright, it's definitely time for me to eat a sandwich or something, so I'm getting loopy. Have a good night, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.